A whole app in one file doesn't scale. In this video you'll split UI into a real reusable child component and pass real data down into it using props. This child component declares to real props, name and age, with runtime type validation. The parent passes real values in a plain string for name, a bound expression for age. Combined with v_for, this genuinely renders one real user card per item in the array. withDefaults gives role a real fallback of member whenever the parent doesn't pass one. A single monolithic component becomes unmanageable fast. Splitting UI into real components, each driven by its own props, makes each piece reusable, testable, and independently understandable. defineProps declares what data a component accepts, with optional runtime type checking. Props flow one direction only, parent to child, never mutate a prop inside the child. withDefaults supplies a fallback value for any prop the parent doesn't explicitly pass. Build a product card component with name and price props, then render several with real v_for data. Next, letting a child component talk back up to its parent with custom events.